please.
Myself, Ankit.
And yours?
My name is Sonal Kumar.
What do you do in leisure time?
Yes, sir.
What do you do in your leisure time?
I actually read novels.
And what do you do in your free time?
I listen music.
What is the good thing you like most in your friend?
It is very much helpful to us.
And what do you like in your friend?
Is a responsibility.
Which television show do you like the most?
Yes, sir.
Which television show do you like the most?
I like CIDs, crime patrols.
And what about you?
Crime Patrol.
Now deliver a short speech.
I myself, Ankit, I am present in front of you to speak in the topic child labor. Here we are living in the 21st century, an era of science and technology. But this era also help us to increase in the demand of education. Under Article 24, our Indian Constitution has amended that no one under 14 should work or should be employed. But is it so succeeded as it was aimed so? We all know the answer of this question. But what happened now? Due to whom it has been not succeeded? It is because of us. We, the people of the society, discriminate ourselves on the basis of color, sex, and most importantly on the basis of economic stamina and background of the family. So poor people who have to stay in the society have to work very hard. Not only their parents, their ward, no matter male or female, work in the field to help their parents and gain respect in the society. We, the people of the society.
Stop, I have a question. What is your personal opinion?
My personal opinion about child labor is not so good. This child labor always create inhumanity. It shows the inhumanity in the nature of humans, which create a very negative impact in everyone's mind. As we all know, every child is the future of the nation. Every child.
My next question is, what is the condition of working children in the world?
Almost in all the countries, there are in India every 7 child is suffering from this problem. But according to the census of 2001, Africa is the most child labor country.
Do you think India is the home of the largest number of child labor?
No, not in. But according to seeing the population, it may be in India, but according to the census and the world record, it is in Africa.
Now deliver a short speech.
My topic is euthanasia. Euthanasia refers to the intentionally ending the life of a person in order to relieve him or her from grief or pain. Euthanasia is of 3 types: voluntary euthanasia, non-voluntary euthanasia, and involuntary euthanasia. Voluntary euthanasia is conducted with the consent of the patient, while non-voluntary euthanasia is conducted where the consent of the patient is absent. Involuntary euthanasia is conducted against the will of the patient, which in most of the countries is considered a murder. Apart from this, all the 3 kinds of euthanasia can be further divided into 2 groups: passive euthanasia and active euthanasia. Passive euthanasia entails the withholding of common treatment which is necessary for continuance of life, while active euthanasia entails uses of lethal substances like injecting a poison.
Stop. In our country, euthanasia is legalized. What is your opinion about that?
So euthanasia should be legalized in most of the countries, but I think only voluntary and non-voluntary euthanasia should be legalized because a person who is not able to see, not able to hear, and who is not even able to respond to the stimuli, and he is dying of pain, so it's better to end his life in a simple way.
Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
What's your personal opinion about euthanasia?
Euthanasia is good. Actually, the person who is dying, they should depart from this earth in a simple way. They should, because if we have the right to live, then we should also have a right to die.
Do you have any question?
Yes, which section of Constitution depicts that child labor is not good?
Under Article 24.
What does it state?
It said that no one under 14 should be employed in any sector.